That meeting went on forever. Have you had lunch yet?
I'm sorry. I was so hungry. I ate Sue and Chris already.
You ate our friends Sue and Chris?
Wait, what? No, I had soup and crisps.
Oh.
Do you sometimes feel that people don't understand you when speaking, and that this stops you from communicating effectively? One common reason for this is not pronouncing the final consonant sound in words. P is a good example of this. Today, I will help you to stop dropping the P sound at the end of words. We will look at why P causes problems, how to pronounce P accurately, and to practice saying P at the end of words. First, which of these two versions is pronounced accurately? Number 1, can I help you? Number 2, can I help you? Yes, the answer is 2. In the first example, you cannot hear the P. Think for a second. Why does this happen? Burmese and other languages spoken in Myanmar do not have final consonants like P in final position.
Sabi bila, Messiah tebu.
When speaking English, some Burmese speakers do not pronounce these final consonant sounds or say them in a weak way. For example, I like to eat soup versus I like to eat soup.
How do we pronounce P? Close your eyes and practice saying P. P. To form P, put your lips together and watch the air build up in your cheeks. The P comes out like an explosion. To practice this, get a thin piece of paper or use your finger. Place the paper in front of your mouth and say P. P. What happens? Lots of air comes out. Now, say the word help. Help. Can you feel the air now? Now it's your turn. Take out your phone and record yourself. Now, listen to the recording. Did you pronounce the final P? If not, try it again.
Soup, sheep, ship. Remember, to make P in final position, air needs to flow out. I like to eat soup, no air. I like to eat soup, air. So, try to pronounce the final consonants in words. This will make you a much more persuasive and clearer speaker. Happy learning!